After 10 years in YouTube, I'm starting all over again. And here's why. A decade of experience, countless lessons, and now it's time for a fresh start. And today, I want to share everything I've learned along this journey and why now is the perfect time for a new beginning. In today's video, I'm taking you behind the scenes of my 10-year evolution on YouTube, the struggles, the lessons I've learned, the reinventions. And if you're thinking of starting a channel or reinventing yourself, this is for you. Let's go back to 2015. I moved to a new country, changed my life completely, and instead of pursuing my career as a public relation manager, I kept on blogging, and YouTube seemed like the next logical step. But oh my, I knew nothing. If I look back at myself, I was so immature. No editing skills, no camera presence, just desire to share my love for elegance, style and beauty. My early videos like makeup tutorials, fashion hauls, styling tips, they were far from perfect. Honestly, they were cringe, but I kept going. And that's the first big lesson. You don't need to be perfect to start, you just need to start. I spent hours watching tutorials, experimenting with lighting, and figuring out how to present myself on camera. It was daunting, but persistence was the key. So over the years, I experimented with different content, improved my video editing skills, learned about SEO and audience engagement. And yes, I failed so many times. Videos that flopped, ideas that never worked, even moments of burnout, but every failure was a stepping stone to a better version of myself. This is something I want you to remember. The only way to grow is to embrace failure as a part of the process. It wasn't just about uploading videos, it was about understanding what worked and what didn't. Some topics gained traction while others barely got any views at all, but I never let setbacks define me. I learned to pivot, adjust and adapt. Success on YouTube, like in life, is all about resilience. Fast forward, I found myself in a new chapter. Pregnant, then the mother of two. My priorities of course shifted and I took a much needed break from YouTube, posting inconsistently and losing that momentum that I've gained so hard. And ladies, that's another powerful lesson. Your journey will have seasons and it's okay to pause, reassess and come back stronger. When I returned, I realized that my vision had evolved. It's not about me wasn't being passionate about beauty and fashion anymore, not at all. I wanted to create something bigger than that. During my break, I gained new perspectives on what truly matters in life. I realized that success is not just about numbers and views, but about impact. I wanted to inspire women not just to look elegant, but to be elegant, to live elegant lives filled with purpose and financial independence. That realization fueled my decision to start fresh. Because let's face it, YouTube algorithm is a tricky little bastard. That brings me to today. After 10 years on YouTube, I'm starting over, but this time with all the knowledge and experience I've gathered, and my mission is clearer than ever: to help women achieve financial freedom and independence while embodying class and elegance. Because true refinement isn't just about looking the part, it's about living a life of quality, confidence and sophistication. Starting over doesn't mean throwing everything away, it means building upon what you've learned. I'm bringing all the valuable lessons from the past decade and applying them with more intention and precision. And this time, I'm creating content that not only inspires but also empowers women to take control of their lives and finances with grace. It's true that YouTube has changed my life, and it can change yours too. Whether you want to share your knowledge, build a personal brand, or perhaps create a new income stream, there is no better time than now. The best part, you don't need to be an expert to begin. Just like I started clueless in 2015, you can start today with what you have and grow as you go. Unlike social media platforms that rely on fleeting trends, YouTube gives you longevity. A single well-made video can work for you for years, attracting viewers and growing your influence. So if you ever felt the urge to share your message, this is your sign to start now. So my darlings, here's my big announcement. This is my brand new channel dedicated to helping you elevate your life beyond just fashion and beauty to achieve true success financial freedom with elegance and become the best version of yourself. If I can do it, you can do it too. If you're ready to level up, make sure to subscribe and join me on this exciting journey. And tell me in the comments down below, have you ever thought about starting over again? What's holding you back? Let's chat about it. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notification. I have so much to share with you.